Hello everyone. Today our aim of the practical is how to measure the resistance of this wire. Here we have the battery eliminator. This supplies the power in our circuit. This is the one-way key. Here we have the ammeter. Ammeter is a device which measures the current in a circuit. Then we have the voltmeter. Voltmeter is a device which measures the potential difference. And then we have the rheostat. It has the variable resistance. The resistance of the rheostat, which we can vary the resistance of the rheostat by moving the jockey. So you are seeing first the readings of the ammeter is 0 and the reading of the voltmeter is 0 because the circuit is off. Now what we will do, we will insert this plug in this and the circuit is, now you can check the readings. Now it shows the readings, it is 0. You can check that it is 0.25. Now the ammeter is showing the reading 0.25. Here we can check the readings from the voltmeter, it is 0.5 or you can say 0.6. These are the readings of the voltmeter. So we got the two readings, reading from the ammeter, that is of the current, and reading from the voltmeter, that is from the of the potential difference. Now as you know, we have to plot a graph, so we will note down the readings from the ammeter, that is 0.25 ampere, and from the voltmeter 0.5 volt. Then now what we can do, we can vary the resistance in the circuit. If we will vary the resistance of a circuit, or if we can say in a circuit, the current increases and hence the potential difference should increase. So what we will do next, we will, for the next reading, we will change the resistance in the rheostat. You are seeing now we have changed this one. Now what we will do, if by changing the resistance in the rheostat, we will check the readings here. Now you can see the readings now. Before it was here, it was 0.25. Now you can check, and here you can check the readings of the voltmeter as well, which is now this time at 1.5 volt. So by changing the resistance in the rheostat, we can then check the current in the ammeter, the voltmeter, and then we can put a graph between the current and the potential difference. As you know, resistance is equal to V is equal to IR, potential difference V is equal to IR, and R is equal to V by I. Then what we will do, we will divide the readings of the voltmeter by the readings of the ammeter. So from that we can find the resistance of this wire. This wire is of nichrome, which is a high resistance wire. After finding the resistance of this wire by the formula R is equal to V by I, then we can find the resistivity of this wire as well, because you know resistivity rho is equal to R is equal to rho L by A, and rho is equal to R into A divided by L. We know the length of this wire, we can measure the length of this wire, and also we can find the area of cross section of this wire. So from that we can find the resistivity as well. I hope you all understood this. Thank you.